Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change name on Crossword Jam. So let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your Crossword Jam application on your mobile device. Now from the main homepage, after you're inside your game, go ahead and tap on the back button at the top left-hand corner, which will then show you your map. Simply go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen, and this will then open up the profile page. Now tap on the pencil icon right at the top right-hand corner of your profile and enter a new name you'd like to use for your account after erasing the current one. Now tap the save button at the top right in order to save your change, and that is how you should be able to change your display name on Crossword Jam. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.